Hey friends, today we're going to talk about tornadoes. Tornadoes can be quite the sight to see, but they can do some pretty bad damage. So let's talk about how tornadoes work and how you can stay safe if a tornado is headed your way. A tornado is a spinning tube of strong winds that comes from a thunderstorm and touches the ground. Most of the time, a special type of thunderstorm called a supercell is needed to give birth to a tornado. Supercells are different from regular thunderstorms because they spin, which is caused by winds that change speed and direction as they go higher up into the atmosphere. After the supercell starts spinning, it can sometimes focus its spin closer to the ground, and if the ingredients are right, a tornado can form. Only a small amount of thunderstorms become supercells, and most thunderstorms are not able to produce tornadoes, but when tornadoes do happen, they can do some really nasty things. Tornadoes come in all shapes and sizes, from a rope to a wedge, but they can also be invisible swirls of air or wrapped in rain, making them hard to see. Tornadoes can produce winds from 65 miles per hour all the way up to over 300 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. These winds are strong enough to peel roofs off of houses, rip trees out of the ground, and toss cars hundreds of yards. Normally, tornadoes last only a few seconds to a few minutes, but some can last for over an hour and travel for miles and miles. If the weather forecast calls for tornadoes in your area, it's very important to have a plan in place in case a thunderstorm that might produce a tornado is headed your way. Have a few different ways to get weather warnings, such as your local television weather reports or a weather radio. If a tornado warning is issued for your area, get inside a sturdy structure such as a house, school, restaurant, or gas station. Find a room on the lowest floor near the center of the building, such as a closet or bathroom, that is far away from any windows. Tornadoes can easily break windows, causing sharp pieces of glass to fly through the air. If you can, put on a helmet to protect your head from flying objects and cover yourself with pillows, blankets, or even a mattress. Never try to outrun a tornado in a car. If you're riding in a car and a tornado warning is issued for your area, pull off the road and find a sturdy building like we just talked about. If you're caught outside away from sturdy buildings, find the lowest point you can, such as a ditch, away from trees and cars. Lie down flat and cover your head and neck with your arms. Even though tornadoes can be scary, if you follow these tips, you'll have a much better chance of surviving if a tornado heads your way.